Welcome to this short video. The purpose of this video is to talk about the prerequisites for the real analysis course and the outline of the course. So as for the prerequisites, they are minimal. One should be familiar with the language of sets, functions, and relations. And when I say etc., I just mean the well-ordering principle and posets. And all of that is present in the playlist named Kickstart. You can find that on my homepage. And the module on relations as well as some more lectures are also present in the current playlist on real analysis. I just kept them there for emphasis. Okay, and to fully appreciate the course, it will be very helpful to be familiar with the high school calculus, the calculus as we do in physics, where we have infinitesimals and whatnot. Real analysis is about rigorizing that. It's the rigorous calculus, so to say. All right, so let's look at the course content. So currently this is the plan. What are real numbers? This is not a trivial question. So first module will be dedicated to answering that. Then we'll move on to some basic set theoretic thing. Very important, countable and uncountable sets. And then we'll talk about sequences, very important property called compactness. Then we will define continuous functions. And slowly we'll go to differentiability, then some mean value theorems, integration, then fundamental theorem of calculus, infinite series, and sequence and series of functions, power series, and finally, currently the plan is to end with lengths of curves. This will be used to define what are called trigonometric functions, the sin x, cos x. So as you see, it takes a long time to define the trigonometric functions if you want to do that rigorously. So there's a certain pathway in my mind which gets us to trigonometric functions, but it takes a long time. At some point, we'll discuss the exponential function, and that will come when we will be discussing, we can discuss that after we discuss Taylor's theorem when we do integration. Or maybe that will come a little bit later. But yeah, so exponential function will also come fairly deep into this lecture series. Okay, I don't think there is anything else. Yeah, maybe I will add more lectures later. There are so many interesting things that one can talk about, like convexity and whatnot. But as of now, this is the course outline, and this is already a very solid course. These 16 modules is already a very solid course. As of the making of this video, I have completed about half of it, or renovated about half of it. Almost all of this is already present, but I'm renovating the videos, and currently I'm renovating module 8. I have renovated the first 7 modules. This is the one that is currently being renovated, and these will be renovated in due time. So, all right, best of luck. With that, I want to end this. As usual, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.